Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to transfer Bitcoin safely. Ready? Let's jump right in. First things first, open your cryptocurrency wallet app or platform. This could be something like Coinbase, Binance, or a hardware wallet like Ledger. Find the option to send or transfer Bitcoin. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Next, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. This is super important, double check it. One wrong character and your Bitcoin could be gone forever. Once you've got the address, enter it into the designated field. Then, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Now, take a moment to review all the transaction details. Look at the recipient's address again, check the amount, and don't forget about any fees. These fees are necessary to get your transaction processed on the blockchain, so make sure your wallet balance covers them. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit send or transfer. Your transaction will then be processed on the blockchain. Depending on network traffic, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. So there you have it. Transferring Bitcoin is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Just remember to double-check those details to keep your crypto safe. Thanks for watching.